Hey guys, it's Pete from myjewelrybench.com. Today we're going to do a quick bracelet repair, which is a common repair that I get in the jewelry store all the time. I want to show you how to fix the clasp and to repair the safety chain. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share on social media. The more sharing you do, the better my channel does, and I appreciate it. Let's get started. Okay, so this bracelet is a men's 14 karat gold bracelet that has a bad safety chain and also has a bad clasp. So we can tell it has a bad clasp if I move those little safety locks out. If I push this in, you can see it does not lock anymore. It wants to, but it doesn't. These do wear out, these little tongue and groove safety, or these tongue and groove clasps will wear out over time, and actually it's pretty simple to repair. The safety chain, on the other hand, or wherever it went, the safety chain on the other hand, we will have to get that adjusted, and I'm going to do a quick laser repair on that. I'm going to show you how I do that on the laser, so hopefully you can see that good on the video. I'm going to give this a fast cleaning because the clasp is rather dirty. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. So before we go and fix this little problem, let's get this in the ultrasonic cleaner for a few minutes and get all that gunk out of there. Okay, so one of the issues that we always have with this kind of a clasp is that over time you can see it's not holding in place, so it'll just fall out. Although we have two safety figure eights here. The issue with that is that these, as we continuously, let me focus it, squeeze this down, we actually cause a little bit of fatigue on the side. Now these clasps are expensive to repair, so the quick fix for this is to grab a pair of pliers that has a smooth face to it, and I grab it without squeezing the clasp. I'm not squeezing it at all, I'm just kind of holding it in there, and what I do is grab it about there, and I will bend this kind of like the way you see me bending it. So over here by my thumb you can see the gap between the metal of the tongue is expanding as we get closer to where my index finger is. That allows us to do a quick repair and keeps our chain nice and tight. The clasp actually works now. Once that's done, I can test the figure eights and make sure that the figure eights fall into place and that they're not too tight but not too loose, that they'll come off. And these are actually in good shape, so those figure eights are holding it. That's added security for the clasp. Kind of nice to have those. The last repair I'm going to do this is to reattach the safety chain. That's get this in focus. We're going to reattach the safety chain and get it back onto the other side of the clasp over here. I'll show you how to do that with the laser welder. Okay, so now I've got the chain inside the laser welder, and what I want to do is take a pair of tweezers. I'm going to grab the end of my safety chain here, whatever that may be. And it slipped away on me, so let's go find the end of this. And there's one ring at the end, so I'm going to grab it with my tweezers. And I'm going to find the broken link that's over here, and I'm going to see if I can get this attached over here. You may not be able to see it, but I'll put that on just like so. And of course it falls off because that's my luck. Back on there, just like so. And now this link that's on the clasp is actually broken, so we're going to give this a quick little laser weld if I can get this back up here. Just going to loop that around. Okay, so now it's on, the gap is closed, but I want to make that permanent. So with the laser weld all set, laser welder, I'm going to actually get that lined up with my crosshairs, which you can't see. And then we're going to fire some laser welds at it. And that is all welded back together. Pretty quick and convenient. I know it's kind of tough to see using my phone and looking through the face of the laser to see that, but I hope I recorded this as good so that you can tell. And let's go back and check it out. Okay, so we're done with the laser welder, and if you've noticed, we have the safety chain attached to both sides of the clasp. If I undo the figure 8 safeties, I'm going to undo those real quick here. And now I still have a good connection on my clasp. I can lightly squeeze this and pull that apart. And our safety chain is fully attached to both ends of the bracelet. That is a common quick repair that we do a few times a day, sometimes a few times a week in the jewelry store. So keep in mind that's one of the things that you'll be seeing a lot of if you do jewelry repairs for other people. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys, for taking the time to watch some of my videos. I really appreciate it. If you like these videos and you find them helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see new stuff that I put out, usually on a weekly basis, hit the subscribe button and you can get notified by clicking on that little bell. I really appreciate any sharing that you can do, and the thumbs up that I get if you like these videos kind of helps with my channel to grow. You'll see that in the descriptions and on my website I do put affiliate links to products that I show and use in these videos. Those affiliate links give me a little small commission. Doesn't cost you anything if you buy them. And when you buy within the first 24 hours of clicking on those links, I get a tiny little commission that helps keep this channel going. Any little bit helps to keep this up and running. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch it. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and share on social media. Take care, guys. Happy watchmaking and jewelry making.